Morning, good morning, everyone. How's it going? Welcome in. Let's see what we have this fine Thursday. Good morning, James, Chris, Mohammed. As always, welcome. Well, I'm gonna do the usual, real quick, and we can check the charts because today's a little bit late. Daily chart, the close are like the way we close the daily chart is really interesting. We went like we moved lower into the drawn liquidity that I had in mind. The low on Friday 26th. Uh, we swept that low. We we also swept the previous daily low. Boom. And we closed the swing. So today it's a C3 candle of this swing formation. That tells me that we're like just this low and the liquidity sweep and the close, like the way it closed yesterday. It's really interesting for a bullish move. I guess draw liquidity now it's going to be at least uh, Tuesday 7 high. This is the first like draw liquidity after all this sweep and whatever. 4 hour, 4 hour. I mean, the sweep of that low is just the same, but 4 hour seems to be pushing with nothing major here. Like we are trading into a fair value gap on the 4 hour. That's true, but we are going through it, and the next one is a little bit above, like here. FVG, and same thing goes here. FVG. 1 hour. 1 hour, pretty much the same thing as the 4 hour, like nothing major. We keep moving higher. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I see what you mean, Jason. And the 15 minute, pretty much like we are going higher. The move is just slow, like it's steady but slow, grinding higher. So let me just take a look a little bit better on what I could do here. Let me check the session labels. Okay, we're trading above major high. Um, oh, the next strong liquidity higher for me would be this highs here, like this consolidation. There we go. Uh, yep, we on the same page then, Jason. Uh, yeah. The only thing, what did 9:30, like, what did 3 a.m. do? It's like, I don't have any fair values. I do have this 15-minute fair value gap. Boom. Do we have anything on the 5 minute? Do we have a 15-minute sweep? Eh, not really, right? I remember right now, 1 hour fair value. I mean, let me check because maybe I'm checking MNQ and morning and keyboard bodies. Oh, body, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one, 2 candles ago. Are we like I cannot see the hourly fair value. Are you? or that's what you're looking for. Like, are you looking for morning zipper? Are you waiting for the fair value gap? I mean, that would be perfect. Yeah, trading to the fair value gap, whatever. Um, Here we traded into. I mean, ideally, yeah, I would like to get into longs. That's just. I'm just thinking about it. Like, I mean, for now, we're not pushing higher, like extremely. The only thing is, I don't have any fair value. Like, just if I have a 5 minute fair value gap, I mean, we do have one real small, like really small one here. Boom. If I had like at least one 5 minute candle, fair value gap, my bad. And we traded into it and we started moving higher. Like, I could look for continuations, right? But I don't even have that. EDS, like, do we have something to do with EDS or something like this? We do. We didn't trade into any fair value on ES here in the 5 minute. 5 minute. Good morning, Peter. Oh, there you go. Okay, that's the one. Now I see. Now I see. Now I see. But like, I don't know what happened. Like, I was not even like able to see that one. Yeah, like maybe we can play that. Yeah, let's just do it. Yeah, just because I'm extremely bullish. Is this one? But I don't know why it's not being printed on MNQ. I might go. Uh, 15 minute closed. Strong closure above this high on the 15 minute. I was just slow on that one. Few minutes down. Um, Good question. My model is the unicorn model. I just look for liquidity sweeps around key like areas, and then I look for a unicorn. And basically, I don't know if you're familiar with what a breaker is or a unicorn is, but basically, it's just like whenever we break the structure, like a candle formation, like in this example trade, it is this set because here we swept like this low because it's a 50-minute low, and then like whenever we break above that, that's the breaker block, and when we have a fair value gap in it, it's a unicorn. I think Leo, like if you've ever seen Leo streams, he sometimes like uses it for narrative, like the unicorn itself. If he uses the indicator and maybe he mentioned it um like sometime. Let's see if I get an entry. Uh, the buy side that I'm targeting is, I mean, I'm targeting all of this, like this consolidation here, like the highest, like high of all this consolidation. That's my drawn liquidity here, like the buy side liquidity for me. But yeah, it could make sense. Like the first, like the first one that we are gonna encounter is gonna be 686. Morning, then. How are you? Going down now. Yeah, it could be like I was thinking the same thing. Like it looked like this, like the accumulation, then the manipulation, and whatever the distribution. It really looks like it, yeah. But I'm gonna follow the bias here that I have to the upside. And we have 9 minutes on the clock, like for this 5 minute, 50-minute candle, sorry. We can create a 50-minute gap here. Fair value gap here in the 50-minute. this could also help for further move higher. Now we have a 5-minute fair value gap here. WG. 8 minutes. I'm gonna remove this one for now. Into this. Oh yeah. I mean, TradingView has good things and bad things also. Like the platform goes well. It has a lot of tools. The indicators work fairly good. But for some things, like it's really slow. Like for good morning, Robert. For I don't know, like the update times for the data. Like if you compare it to Tradeovate or NinjaTrader directly, like the platform itself, TradingView is just so slow. Like everything updates so slow. I hate it. Like when I trade on it on a different platform, damn, it feels so different. But we're high to be aware of. We can start trading higher again. That would be really nice. Like if we start trading again above here, then we're Gucci. I'm trying to think of where, like if I have a chance to move to break even, where do I want to do that? It feels you could go lower, yeah. And where? Yeah, good question. Like if that high, like if the most recent high in this move, like here, this one, the 321.1, was a little bit higher. Like instead of being here, it was like here above 1 hour. Then whenever we traded, like got a closure above that high, then just moved to break even. But I think if we trade again above here, moving the stop loss to break even at this point here is just too risky. Like I think like it's just, I mean, it is 0.7 hour. Like it's just pretty much the start of the move. And then if I had to focus like on the left side, like on any old structure here, where it makes more sense, obviously it's this high, but at this point, like you are 1.6 are up and like you're really close to the entry. So I guess we need to like do something like this. boom, return a high, go lower, and then trade again back above the most recent high in this structure and move to break even around this area. But first, we need to trade higher. 15-minute closes in 4 minutes. To be honest, if I had to ask for something, would be this 15-minute closing above the previous 15-minute high would be ideal. Mark out the previous 15-minute high. That's really fucking good. Not gonna lie. Let's see if we can manage to get a closure like this. 2 minutes remaining for this 15-minute candle. Basically, that will be like the ideal final work for the indicator. We're trying to achieve that, to be able to read if we're trading inside a fair value gap, if the liquidity sweep happen inside a fair value gap, if we have SMT, like that would be the ideal scenario that we can manage to do all of this. The thing is, it's really, I mean, it's hard. It takes time to come up with all the logic that the indicator works well, that is efficient. Like there's a ton of different things. Yeah, some teams is something that we wanted to add. We need to see like if we can add it or not, because like 2 degrees, they have many other indicators, right? And they already have one with SMT. It is true that they have like a ton of indicators already that have SMT in it, like the fractal and some other indicators that have the SMT in it. So I don't think it should be an issue adding it on the unicorn one too. Since I'm using like, for me, the best combo for the unicorn is using TTFM. Cause yeah, like it shows the SMTs. You can see the high time frame candles. And then I have the SMTs like enabled with the TFM, so I use that one for the SMTs too. Okay, it decided to go lower with 10 seconds remaining on the 15-minute candle. That's a shame. Sadly, it looks like it's gonna close as a C2 possible swing here on the 15. See, now we have a logic for the break even, for the break even movement here, it would be this high, like the previous 15-minute high. Whenever we trade above the like get a closure above the previous 15-minute high, it's not the previous anymore. Let me just copy the text, remove that one, paste the text. So now we kind of have what I was explaining before. Like if we now trade higher, close above, then I think it's a good area for it to move in break even. That would be ideal. That way it's just risk-free trade, whatever. What is ES doing? Like we're having so it's ES the one struggling the most right here. Yeah. It is ES the one struggling. Not really. No. No. I don't consider volume. No, I never checked into it. Good morning, DDB. Did you check anything? What with volume? Do you mean like volume profiles or like volume itself? Like checking the volume for that specific moment or like that specific candle, but not checking like the volume profiles. Okay, no, I didn't check it. Like, there's an indicator from Joshua. Let me check. Uh, statistical volatility. That's the one that plots like the volume, the statistical volume. But I mean, it's not the same, of course, because you're not checking at the actual volume. You're just I do have a volume indicator from Cloud. Crazy. Statistically, like as you can see here, statistically, we have more volume at 4 a.m. than we have at 3 a.m. That's crazy. And then 7 a.m. has even more volume than 3 a.m. It's crazy. Okay, we swept previous here, the previous 15 minute, but we didn't close, so no break even for me yet. And then it shows here the volume candles here too with this indicator. Like this one was a high volume candle, this one was a high volume candle, whatever. This movement here, I don't like it. We have the S&T, fucking yes. It's kind of the same thing as always. Let me check. We have the 15-minute gap. That's the only thing that makes me not panic too much about this. Remove the 5-minute one. Yeah, we love. You have to love London sessions to be able to trade this shit. That's the truth. Okay, back to the entry. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This short unicorn here looks decent. Like with a 15-minute sweep, S&T. Morning LTF. Then you have to automate it, chasing. Damn. Oh, it reacted to the fair value here. Yeah, I think that would be like that's the best time frame for me also. Like if I had to just trade one like two time frames, like the time frame pairing, it would always be the 1 hour and 5 minute. Um, Okay, we tapped into the 15-minute gap here. Right. Yes, we did. Okay. I think if we react from this 15-minute gap that I wish we do, I'm gonna add more, to be honest, to this above here, something like this, and look for a shorter trade, like not looking for that high anymore. Like do something like this, reduce my exposure, like when it comes to like the move, or far from here, maybe this, and if I'm trading with 5. Something like this. 7. And 13. 13 is gonna be good. I mean, I have to take advantage of it, I guess. But so far, like, damn, this just price action is just what the fuck? Like, can you just go up or down, please? But I'm starting to get tired of the consolidation London sessions. I'm gonna add 5 more here, just in case I get any entry. I'm not gonna have the entry, but I mean, it's okay. Like, I don't mind not getting more. Probably I should have marketed in, but like when we closed in this candle, the 342 candle, probably I should have like added more at market. But I'm not like not bad. Like I could even add more here. To be honest, I have a really great entry based on this move, but whatever. Uh, my TP. Oh shit, yeah. Oh no, for sure, Beza, like for sure. Like the unicorn is like one of these models that you don't even like. If it's clear enough, just take it, because sometimes it can surprise you. Yeah, so far, nice move. I want to see if we get a closure here. This 15-minute closure here is gonna be fucking nice after the tap into the 15-minute fair value gap. Take profit is 696. It's pretty much this first high, the Tuesday 7 high. I know it's a little bit higher, like above the Tuesday 7 high, yeah. 142 sell contracts at 29,700s. Yeah, I didn't tell you guys, but it's me shorting with that amount. Mm. I'm sad that I didn't add more because at this point I would be out. Um, yeah, but Besa, like when you have take profits, like you also have a really good streak with take profits. Like Yeah, you could do that. Like for me, it's just I try to not like think about it too much and just go with the flow. And if I have to take a losing streak, I just take it. Like it's not that big of a deal for me. Well, don't be sad because we didn't hit take profit. We are break even now, right? Yeah, ideally that's the case. Yeah, let's just move to break even. I don't want to see this come back to my entry at this point. Like we closed above the previous 50-minute high. We got the closure that we wanted. And we are approaching the 7th July high. So let's see if we can get another strong push here from from here. Sometimes like I say I'm break even. It's just a mental break even thing, not necessarily like I just move break even when I have to. Like I don't know, I'm working at another screen or I cannot pay attention to the trade. But when we're trading like here, um, it's sometimes like more of a mental. Are we securing? I don't usually do it because I think you reduce like your expectancy on the trades too much. I think towards a realistic like take profit expectation for trade on a unicorn. So uh, I pretty much never like take partials if that's a question. The only reason I would close the trade early would be because we have SMT, like we have a strong SMT, or we tap into like a strong or a strong like fair value that we are trading against, something like this, you know. That would be the only like moment where I want to close my position early. But I don't take partials, no. I think partials are really great for really long trades, like I don't know, 3+R trades where you can be like you can get a portion of the move, uh, but since it's a really long move, you need to secure like profit. And SMT indicator, I think 2 degrees they have one. SMT. Joshua has one free. I don't know how good it is. If not, uh, no, I told SMT. Maybe the TFO one. Did you try the TFO? Like TFO is like really good with the indicators too. Check the TFO one. See if we can hit a profit here. That would be really nice. Just the final push here on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute. I think we're gonna get it, right? There you go. Someone recommended one. Beza in chat. There you go. Take profit. Finally, we're hitting a trade during New York session, during London session. Thank God. GG to everyone. If you catched it, I mean that was not the trade, but nice pod. Yeah, it was a nice pod. Yeah, like I was for real. I just woke up like 5 minutes ago. Like Juno, I ignored you. Let's go. Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't see. Ben. I didn't see. Let's go. Uh, um, oh yeah, I just like woke up 5 minutes before the stream. I was checking the charts and I was like really sleepy. But man, feels good to be back on. I mean, not saying we are back on track doing London session, but it feels good to be able to get something during London session. Uh, it was really this. It was really. Let me check. Let me show you. Like we had this sweep. Props to Beza for letting me know that we swept. Like we had an open high low close on the 15 minute, and and we and we started trading above this breaker block slash unicorn. Um, and we got the entry right at the unicorn here. We bounced 2 times. When we created the 15-minute fair value, I wanted to add more here, but I set my limits and it didn't go back, and I couldn't manage to add more. Like I really wanted to add more and like double the risk here and reduce the stop loss, and it would have been like double the risk with way less stop loss. Would have been really good. Uh, hey, we can talk with Alex and do this. Ben, it would be down for me, to be honest. Thank you, James. Thank you, Zeus. Yeah, a long time no see. Yeah, we had really boring like sessions lately. So yeah. Okay, stream done. Whatever we can do. Anything else? Now we're gonna run the stream for a little bit. Just check the charts, see what's up, and yeah, we can call it a day early, like in like 30 minutes or so. Yeah, like for me, like 100% for me, it's over. Like my trading day is completely over. I'm not gonna check anything for New York. And I've been doing really fucking great. Like I must admit, it is sad because remember like the challenge account that we started here. Damn, I was getting so frustrated to not be able to trade it, that I traded it myself and passed it. Like I don't know how it kept happening that as soon as I ended the stream, the London stream, I had a trade. Um, and the account was sitting, I don't know, for almost a week and something, 2 weeks since I didn't trade it. And I passed it. Uh, and the same thing kept happening of like end the stream and then a trade shows up and I take it. I think I'm up now here 1400 on this account, and this is the same, like this is the first flex account that I got. Yeah. I should consider also streaming the account. And this is the account that I passed, like that was meant to be for the challenge, and I passed it, and it's 1400 up. Like I think I'm away what 2 more trading days, and it's gonna be payout on this one. But it's just sad that we're not being able to that I'm not being able to do this during London session lately because of the price action. Yeah. I saw that same thing. It's just that lately, like you know how we trade, Beza. Like we need the price to get into a POI, then form what we need. I just saw that lately we don't have that. Like we don't respect, like I don't know, a week ago I could not expect a 15-minute fair value gap to be respected like this and then have like a strong directional move from it. That's what I was lacking. That's what I'm lacking from the London session. And we had a great run because Price was respecting everything really well. And all of a sudden it's not doing it. So the tour magic. Um, yeah. I mean, I think the concepts around the model, they're not hard to understand. Like I think like within a month or two, you're gonna be able to spot pretty much like all the concepts, like the what's a breaker, like liquidity sweep, whatever. Like I don't think it's hard to understand. It is true that it is hard to like understand when to take a trade and when not to take it. Like find the right confluences that make it strong. I think it's the hardest part of the model. Introduce yourself into the model. It's really easy. So keep it going. Trade. That was a really good one. Picture this. Yeah, that tour was magic, man. That was really nice. Yeah, pretty much, pretty much. I mean, I really think we still push higher. Like we created another 15-minute gap here that we just traded into, and probably we're gonna just move away from it now. Like boom, and then this, and keep moving higher. You know. Also, it's like a 15-minute sweep. Yeah, I can really see like there's something like this. Yeah. And continue higher. It is like this. The London session stream. Let's make it clear. I've been trading London session after the stream, like or past 4 a.m., like 4 a.m., 5 a.m., and I've had like good trades. But yeah, like from 3 to 4 a.m., it has been crazy, straight bullshit. We've I mean, you can do whatever. Like I'm not doing this so anyone believes anything. Ultimately, I do trading for myself, not for anyone else. So I had a really good run with Top Step like a couple weeks ago. So put like a couple payouts on it. Yeah. I mean, it was clean again, to be honest. Like with the 15-minute gap, we just bounced out of previous 15-minute high with a 15-minute gap. Sadly, it just didn't give an entry here, but damn, that was clean also. Nah, 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 I won't. Like, it ran too much. Like, it went higher. Nah. Like, if it was like in this candle, like 403 moved lower again, you could think about it. But I don't really like to. Yeah, because ideally that's where you would go break even here, right? Like it's pretty much around 1 hour, above 1 hour. You swept previous high, we got a closure, you know. Like if I was in this trade from here, probably I would break even here. Tour. And again, 2R from this and it just reacts like it's just crazy. What's good? What's good? Not a gay. Not a gay. Thank you for being here, Beza. Thank you so much. See you, brother. I'm gonna be streaming most likely tomorrow also, so see you tomorrow if you're around. Same. Good to see you active here, brother. As always. Have a good day, brother. Whenever we get to that hype, most likely we're gonna end the stream because that's my like last line of drawn liquidity here. We got a great trade inside this market maker buy model, being this consolidation, like the terminus, really great portion of price action here. Hey, if you're around, like whenever you're around Barcelona, just hit me up, brother. If you ever come, it would really be nice to meet you. Yeah, I need to like think about like stuff to post on Instagram, to be honest. Like it's really hard. Like I don't know why creating that the type of content is like really hard for me. But thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Trying to find like the spot there, like like a type of content that I like to share. I don't know why Instagram hates me, but when I put something about my profits and trading stuff, like in a real day, it will ban me again. Oh, really? Wait, that's weird as fuck. So like, yeah, I see everyone posting like profit shit about like the trading that they do or whatever. Like, do you think that we finish the week bearish or bullish? I think we end up bullish. Um, I do think we end up bullish. Like after the sweep here, like after the sweep, moving higher. Like I really think we can, yeah, like go towards the Tuesday 7 high here. Like today push higher and then tomorrow too. Like I think we end up higher. Oh wow, that's weird. But it's something that you cannot do, like talk about like trading profits or whatever. Because if it is like first time hearing it, like I didn't know. Okay, boys. I think we're done. Like, I don't want to hang around here just to see if that we take the high. I confidently think we can take that high here. Um, it's just a matter of time. We did our job today, finally, after a few really bad sessions. We managed to do something and not make it boring as we've been doing lately. Um, yeah, if anyone has any questions, it's the moment, it's the right moment to do it. Otherwise, I think we can move on. Okay, I see no questions. Then time to move on. Thank you so much for being here once again, for taking the time to be around. great day. Stay safe during New York session. I'm gonna be streaming most likely London session tomorrow, so hope we get another good London session tomorrow. Thank you, Robert. Thank you, James. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow, same time. Have a good day. Bye.